The antibiotic revolution, outsmarting bacterial resistance. Hey science enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking discovery that could change the game in our fight against antibiotic-resistant bacteria. Buckle up, because this is big. The problem. We've all heard about the growing threat of antibiotic resistance. Bacteria are evolving faster than we can develop new drugs, leaving us vulnerable to once treatable infections. But what if I told you that researchers have found a way to make it 100 million times harder for bacteria to resist? Enter Macrolones. Scientists at the University of Illinois, Chicago, have been working on a new class of synthetic antibiotics called Macrolones. These clever drugs combine the best of two worlds, Macrolides and Fluoroquinolones, which could make bacterial resistance nearly impossible. It's like creating a superhero by combining the powers of two different heroes. How do they work? The beauty of Macrolones is that they hit two targets in bacteria at the same time. This dual action makes it incredibly difficult for bacteria to develop resistance because they would need to simultaneously defend against both attacks. 1. Macrolones attack bacteria in two ways. They block the ribosome, stopping the bacteria from making proteins. They mess with the bacteria's DNA structure. 2. By hitting two targets at once, bacteria would need to develop two separate defenses simultaneously. The odds of that happening? About 1 in 100 million. According to Alexander Mankin, a distinguished professor of pharmaceutical sciences at UIC, if the antibiotic hits both targets at the same concentration, bacteria lose their ability to become resistant via random mutations in any of the two targets. The experiments. The UIC team, led by Alexander Mankin and Yuri Polikhanov, put these macrolones through their paces. They found that 1. Macrolones bind more tightly to ribosomes than traditional antibiotics. 2. They can even block ribosomes in bacteria that are already resistant to other drugs. 3. Some macrolones can hit both targets equally well at the same dose. Why this matters? This research could lead to a new generation of antibiotics that are much harder for bacteria to outsmart. It's not just about treating infections, it's about staying ahead in the evolutionary arms race against bacteria. What's next? The team's next step is to optimize these macrolones to hit both targets even more effectively. It's a challenging task, but the potential payoff is huge. Conclusion. As we wrap up, remember that this is cutting-edge research. While it's incredibly promising, there's still work to be done before we see these super antibiotics in clinics. But hey, science is all about pushing boundaries, right? If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And tell us in the comments, what other scientific breakthroughs are you excited about? Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.